Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix unexpected error in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually the unexpected error message in Roblox is general error. It does not have a specific code, but it usually means Roblox could not complete your request. So the basic causes are Roblox server are overloaded or down, and second, browser or app cache corruption, and third, unstable internet connection, and fourth is problem with your account session at the time it expires. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So our first step is to check Roblox server status. So for that you need to enter into your browser and type as status.roblox.com and enter into the first link Roblox status, and it states all system are operational and it's in green color, so it's good to go. If in case it's in yellow color and it state any issue, please wait for some time. It's from Roblox server side. So once it done, please close it, and our next step is to test your internet connection. So for that you need to enter into the settings, following settings, enter into your system and then troubleshoot. After that other troubleshoot, and here what we are going to do is we are going to run the network and internet troubleshoot. Just click run on the right side. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, now it states there is no problem. If in case you had a problem, the troubleshoot icon is over there. Please click on troubleshoot and also click network test. Once it done, restart the Wi-Fi, network adapter and router. Please plug in and plug off your router and then restart your PC. Yeah, then close it. We are stepping into the third step is to clear browser and app cache. So for that, press Windows R and type %temp% and click OK. Here you need to find the Roblox folder and you need to delete that. This is the cache folder. Please delete the folder. Yeah, once it done, please close it. And if you are in browser, please enter into the browser, and if you are using the Roblox in browser, in the sense, please enter into the browser and click the three dot icon at the right side and then click clear browsing data. In that, please clear the cookies and cache data. Yeah, once it done, please close it and restart your system. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Thank you.